Hey, could you please make me a French 75?
I'll make you a French 75 if you answer 3 questions.
You got it.
What are some of the challenges of paying taxes?
The first challenge is the sheer amount of tax law. April researchers have found that there are 1.2 septillion ways for a person to file their taxes. That crazy complexity makes it impossible for a person to estimate their tax liability and then later file on their taxes.
How is your company, April, doing this?
April is building an AI-based personalized tax engine so we can create a different experience per person and find the minimal friction way for you to file your taxes, cutting the time it takes for you to do that from hours to minutes.
Everyone is using generative AI. How are you using it to solve the challenge of understanding tax?
The secret sauce for us is that we use the natural language processing algorithms that we have to read the tax law and translate it into actual code that we can apply to your data. And by doing so, we're able to account for all of these thousands of crazy edge cases that the tax law has.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Wait, where's my cocktail?